Hello, my name is Angela Reisner, and I'm excited to be taking this genetics class with all of you guys. I'm taking this class as a prerequisite for PA school. I've just finished all my prerequisites, but I still need to get more patient care hours, so I'm also getting my advanced EMT at the same time. I'm also employed at Gwinnett Technical College, where I'm the STEM Center assistant. Mostly that's tutoring the sciences, also preparing some labs, and organizing. This is kind of a second career path for me. My bachelor's was actually in international affairs and Russian language studies. I lived in Russia for a while. It's still very near and dear to my heart, one of my favorite countries to visit. I like traveling. I've been to 25 countries now. Some of my favorites are Russia, of course, Spain, Iceland, Morocco, and Egypt are very interesting too. I'd like to go more towards Asia. I haven't been in Asia that much. I was planning on a trip to the Middle East before all the pandemic stuff started, but of course, traveling's been put on hold for a while now. Let's see what else. Um, I think my favorite science prerequisite, now that I've been getting back into the sciences, has been micro. And we started touching on genetics a little bit there, so I'm interested to see how that all comes back into play. I haven't really studied genetics at all, except for a little bit when I was growing up. I had lived on a horse farm, and so there were some genetics in the breeding and etc. of that. Let's see what else. Throughout college, my first job was training and buying and reselling horses. I like to do anything outside, hiking, rock climbing, mountain biking. I have a cat. He is not here right now, but he's very fluffy, a rescue cat. Wow, 3 minutes is a long time. I'm sure you guys have figured this out too. It's awkward talking about yourself. What else? Um, I guess also kind of related to the subject of genetics. I recently found out that my biological father was a sperm donor. And so last year I got to meet some of the siblings I had met through, those DNA testing websites like Ancestry and 23andMe. And we found 29 of us so far, so that was really interesting. It was kind of a case in point about nature versus nurture, and it was interesting seeing all the similarities there. I guess that's finally my 3 minutes, so I look forward to working with you all in this class. Thanks.